Alyssa likes to make things, yeah. Let's get started.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Alyssa Makes. Today we will be opening a mystery box. The link for this item will be in the description box below. Let's get started. Okay, so open it up. Okay, so it came with a squeeze ball, this little bear squeeze, this, came with these, which you can like stretch. It came with some butter slime, a couple of stickers, and some Smarties. And the last thing in here is like this apple poppet. Okay, so let's open this. This is a pretty nice squeeze ball. Okay, so this is a pretty nice poppet. This looks like a little like bear or a cat or something with something on its head. I'm not quite sure what's on its head, but it looks pretty cute. So this is all the stuff that came in it. To tell you the truth, it is all kind of like not great at all. Out of 10, I would probably give all of it like a 4. You could probably get most of this stuff from Dollar Tree. This is just a little stretchy thing, and this is literally just a marble in a sack. So I don't think it was worth $10, and yeah, thanks for watching.